Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss the exercise solutions of History Chapter 11, Indian Culture: A Further Evolution. This chapter helps us understand how Indian art, music, literature and printing developed during British rule. So let's begin step by step and think before we jump to the answers. Let's look at the first question. In South India, Thanjavur and Madras became centers of. Take a moment and look at the options on the screen. Are they centers of Tamil music, Southern music, film music, or Carnatic music? If you thought of Carnatic music, you're absolutely right. During this period, Thanjavur and Madras emerged as major centers of Carnatic music, which is a classical music tradition of South India. Now let's move to the next question. Name the poet who composed the famous patriotic song Sare Jahan Se Acha, Hindustan Hamara. Once again, pause and scan the options carefully. The correct answer here is Muhammad Iqbal. He was a renowned Urdu poet, and this song became a symbol of national pride during the freedom movement. Let's go ahead and look at the next question. The English East India Company established the printing press at Bombay in which year? We have 4 years given as options. The correct year is 1684. This marks the beginning of printing activities under the company in Bombay, which later played a big role in spreading ideas and information. Now let's move on to the next one. Who painted the famous painting of Bharat Mata? Look at the names carefully before answering. The correct answer is Abanindranath Tagore. He painted Bharat Mata as a spiritual and symbolic figure to inspire nationalism among Indians. Alright, let's continue. Name the first newspaper published by an Indian. Think carefully here. The correct answer is Bengal Gazette, which was published by Gangadhar Bhattacharya. This was an important step in Indian-owned journalism. Now we are moving to the fill-in-the-blank section. Painting depicting the defeat of Dash or the revolt of 1857 show the imperial power of the British. Think about which Indian ruler fits here. The correct answer is Tipu Sultan. Such paintings were used by the British to glorify their victories and show their dominance. Let's see the next fill-in-the-blank. The painters painted images of kings and British rulers called Dash. The correct word here is portraits. These paintings highlighted power, wealth, and authority. Moving ahead, the main theme of Kalighat paintings were images of Dash and Dash. The correct answer is gods and goddesses. Later on, these paintings also started showing social life and satire. Now let's look at the next one. The pioneer of modern Hindi literature was Dash. The correct answer is Bhartendu Harishchandra, who played a key role in shaping modern Hindi writing. Next fill in the blank. Banking Chandra Chattopadhyay wrote the famous novel Dash, which contained the patriotic song Dash. The correct answers are Anand Math and Vande Mataram. This novel deeply influenced the national movement. Now we come to the true or false section. First statement, Bhartendu Harishchandra was the pioneer of modern Bengali literature. This statement is false. He was the pioneer of modern Hindi literature, not Bengali. Next statement, the British rule brought no changes in Indian culture. This is also false. British rule brought several changes in education, art, literature, music and printing. Last statement, with the coming of the British, Western musical performances became popular in India. This statement is true. Western instruments and public performances became more common during this period. And with that, we complete the exercise discussion for Chapter 11. I hope this explanation helped you understand the questions clearly and confidently. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We'll meet again in the next lesson. Happy learning!